All right, so we're going to convert 18 feet to yards. So I know 18 feet is what I'm trying to change. So I know that that is going to go over 1. Okay. So now I have to sit here and, okay, well, feet's on top. So I want to have feet on the bottom because I want to be able to cancel them out. So I know that in 3 feet, there is 1 yard. Okay, so let's bring this to the front. So feet, so this feet will cancel out this feet because it's converting it into yards. So yards is the only thing left. So now I have to do 18 times 1. Well, that's 18. So I have 18 yards. 1 times 3 is 3. Well, here's the thing though. We always want our end conversion out of 1. Because right now, it says that 18 yards is in 3. But we want to know how many yards, how many 18 feet get us to yards. So what we know about fractions is that fractions are division. So all we're doing is 18 divided by 3. So 18 is on the inside, because that's our thing that we're trying to figure out to break up. And 3 is on the outside. So we have to ask ourselves, how many times can 3 go into 1, which is 0? So we put our 0 above. We are going to be subtracting 1 from 0. 1 minus 0, we know, is 1. Yes. And you bring down the 8. Bring it down to 8. So now I have to ask myself, how many times can 3 go into 18? And the answer is 6. So you get 6. And you're gonna take 6 times 3 is 18. And then you will subtract it. And 18 minus 18 is 0. So your answer is 6 yards. All right, so that's another practice problem for you.